Today I'm going to be talking about liquid nutrition because I think sometimes we need to give our bodies a little break, not from getting the nutrients, but from having to heavily digest foods. So one way that we can do that is by making a broth. And you've probably heard about lots of broths that you can make. Some can be vegetarian, some are more meat-based, but today I'm making a vegan veggie broth, and I don't know if you can see in there, but some amazing goodness in there. I've got celery, leaves of celery, parsley, parsley stalks, onion, shiitake mushrooms, kombu seaweed, you could use wakame. What else have we got in there? Potato, we've got carrot. Now something pretty cool, pumpkin peel and the seeds and whatever you can have. So this doesn't have to be your best produce. Obviously if it's getting really old, you don't want manky produce in there. You still want good, but you don't have to use your best cuts. You use the ends of celery, you use the bits and bobs of carrots, carrot peelings of pumpkin and seeds, and all the goodness that you don't necessarily want in your salad can go right in here. So you're maximizing produce and maximizing the goodness and getting it in there, yeah? So basically, you could have this just straight as it is, and you're going, okay, you've just come home, you're feeling a little bit low, but you're not really feeling like eating much, and dinner's not ready yet, so you can just have a little sip of it. That's really good. I've actually just put a little bit of salt just to draw out the flavour, but not a lot, so it's not very salty. You could add more salt if you want to. The other thing too is if you're not feeling very well and can't really eat, this is something that you could have. And especially if you're feeling really anxious and stressed and you just don't feel like you can eat, just have a little bit of broth. Your body will thank you, you'll feel better, you know you're getting nutrients, but you're not having to heavily digest those foods. So try a veggie broth. Basically, I've only cooked this one for only about 3 hours, so it doesn't have to be a long cook, this broth. I know other broths need to be cooked longer, but this one is quite a quick broth, which is really great. So remember, all your veggie scraps, all the goodness goes in here, nothing goes to waste, and your body will thank you.